Okay.
This will be
Action.
hitting 1.
So he's hitting 1 because of our rules of making a bird or an animal. If you can make a squirrel fly, that'd be really great. But
It is a bird or animal.
So he made a bird fly. Not only scared him to move, but he actually flew. And so he's hitting. Now this is his first shot,
20 feet.
and 20 feet to the hole. Will he make par?
That'd be a hole in 1.
No, I'm asking if you're going to make par.
Yeah, that's probably a good guess.
Again, will he make par? He's hitting 2. And it's right there. And okay, so hitting 2. Oh! He's gonna get par. Mikey's gonna get par. Mikey gets par. Mikey gets par. High five.
Hey.